You will receive 5 ounces tubes Crest Pro-Health Advanced Antibacterial Protection Toothpaste in mint burst flavor. Protects against areas dentists check most. 8 benefits for advanced whole mouth health. Deep cleaning formula. Provides Crest Pro-Health Advanced Toothpaste protection against plaque bacteria to keep gums healthy. Advance to a healthier smile and stronger teeth with Crest Pro-Health Advanced Antibacterial Protection. It provides protection against plaque bacteria to keep your mouth healthy and provide long-lasting freshness. It is made with patented stannous fluoride and provides clinically proven protection. It provides 8 advanced benefits in one, including fresh breath, whitening, protection against acid erosion, sensitivity, cavities, gingivitis, plaque, and tartar. Fights plaque bacteria associated with gingivitis. Acid erosion effects. Acids in everyday foods can soften and thin enamel, leaving teeth less white, weaker, and sensitive. Top reviews from the United States. Good toothpaste, but beware if you have allergies. I used this product for a week or so before developing an issue with the insides of my cheeks and roof of my mouth. It was starting to hurt my tongue, as well. My daughter also had the same issue. I just thought it was something hot we ate, but fortunately I happened to go to the dentist who told me it was probably the Pro-Health, and that a lot of people have this same issue with the Pro-Health. We stopped using it, and the problem went away. It was very weird.